Okay, this is going to be my unboxing video for the My Aquarium box for March 2019. As you can see, I already cut the tape. I won't open it and look through it, but I still wanted to make the video, get interested in the contest or whatever. So, open it up here. And the first thing is the member benefits card and the winners. For that, also some coupons, Tidal Gardens, places like that. Pretty cool. This is my first My Aquarium box, so I think it's a little different than just the regular one. This is a little card for Beta Oasis, their new premium beta service. Good betas, pre-built beta tanks. Those are like 3-gallon bowls, not 1 gallon or less bowls. So. And then let's see, we got the catalog for Sarah's lighting, talking about their lighting system and stuff. I got a catalog for customaquariums.com. These look pretty sweet. And let's see, oops, yeah, use the code if you want. Let's see, and then we got a catalog for San Francisco Bay brand food. I've used it in my freshwater and my saltwater. I like the San Francisco Bay brand stuff. It's pretty good. Talks about their where to find it, what their history, all that kind of stuff. So, okay, first item is a sample pack of Dr. Tim's build your own food. Basically, it's the beneficial fish food. You get like a base food. And then you can buy other additives and stuff. So you want more garlic or some other things like that. So you mix it up. Pour it in this little mold here. And let's see, I was trying to do this all one-handed. Pour it in there, throw it in the freezer, and then you got your own frozen fish food. So, and there's a coupon in there. And that's pretty good. Let's see. Next item is some omega-1 veggie kelp pellets. For the veggie fish in your saltwater tank. Oh, this is the saltwater box, by the way. I guess I should have said that. Let's see. Then we got some Brightwell Aquatics KH buffer. Makes your alkalinity 8.3 approximately. So if you need to adjust your alkalinity, there's that. That's like a huge bottle. Let's see. This is like the special piece where I do that last, of course, unless I drop it. Then we got, let's see, also for the grazers and the herbivores, a floating fish food clip. That's pretty cool. Put your veggie in there, it floats around and they can chase it and nibble on that. Let's see, excited for this. Some Chemi Pure Blue Nano. Wanted to try this stuff. Now I can. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is waterline parts. Extra little clips and then a tool, a removal tool, which would be so nice. It's a pain in the butt to disconnect those hoses and stuff sometime. Like if you got an RODI system. And then let's see. A plankton banquet. A vacation feeder, basically. Lasts a week. Put it in the tank. It dissolves and lets the food out. And then we got some Lodi and Stronti Nano supplements. So it looks like it's iodine and strontium for the nano size. So just want to add some stuff to your tank. Let's see, where's the English? Iodine and for the corals. So, yeah. And then, okay, that's everything in the box. Some stuffing, and now a big piece. Very well wrapped. The giant barnacle cluster. This thing is huge. make a good decoration in either a saltwater or a freshwater tank. So I don't know, I gotta find a spot for it now, but that's pretty awesome. Well, all I have to say, this is pretty good. I like having my first box, and I look forward to getting another one. So thanks for watching.